So here is the introduction to trigonometry insofar as it relates to high school physics. This box here is meant to be shown here to be resting on a table or a surface. There is a force here, a pulling force, that is applied at an angle theta from the horizontal. What are the upwards and sideways components of that force? I made this other picture here to show you the vertical component of that force and the horizontal component of that force. In order to see the trigonometry involved, we need to take this vertical component of the force and temporarily move it over here to form the right triangle that will help us remember the trigonometry that relates to these two components. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so the sine function will go with this opposite side. That side is opposite the angle theta, and the adjacent side is this side, and cosine is the function that goes along with the adjacent side. So, without further ado, here is the picture broken down with the functions that go with each side. The vertical component is f times the sine of the angle theta, and the horizontal component is f times the cosine of theta. So let's do an example with actual numbers in it. Let me move this off a little bit and get this one up in here. Okay. So here we have a force of 12 newtons is applied at an angle of 30 degrees from the horizontal. What are the vertical and horizontal components of that force? So here's the answer. The horizontal is 12 times the sine of 30, and the horizontal is 12 times the cosine of 30. So 6 and 10. That's with some rounding for significant figures.